Having trouble with the voice data for product improvements setting on Roblox? If the option is unavailable, not saving correctly, or not working as expected, in this video I will show you how to fix voice data for product improvements on Roblox app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Roblox. Here on this page you will move to above to this sign. In this list you will find settings, so you will click on settings. Then here in this page of settings you will find this page of privacy content restrictions here, as you see. And then this list you will go to communication, you will enter to communication, and here you will find voice data users. You will tap here and then you will click to fix this problem of voice data for product improvement. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon.